Ever wondered why the routine checkup of your car's suspension system is crucial? Well, it's more than just ensuring a smooth ride. Regular inspection of your suspension system maintains wheel alignment and prevents premature tire wear. It's like a health check for your car, spotting minor issues before they become major headaches. Ignoring these inspections, you might find yourself facing some costly repairs down the road. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of inspecting a car's suspension system. Start the inspection process by checking the shocks and struts. The shocks and struts are the backbone of your suspension system, absorbing the bumps and bounces of the road. Begin your inspection by examining them closely. Look for any signs of fluid leaks. If you notice any dampness or wetness around these parts, it could be a telltale sign of a leaking shock or strut. Next, turn your attention to the mounts. These components essentially hold your shocks and struts in place. Any damage here could lead to unstable handling and a rough ride. Look for cracks, deformations, or any signs of excessive wear. Now let's not forget about the bushings. These little guys might seem insignificant, but worn bushings can lead to a lot of noise and vibration while driving, so keep an eye out for any signs of deterioration. Once you've thoroughly inspected the shocks and struts, it's time to move on to the tires. Uneven tire wear can often be a silent indicator of bad shocks or struts. If you notice any irregular patterns in the wear of your tires, it could mean that your shocks or struts aren't performing as they should. Finally, take a moment to inspect the springs. Look for any signs of sagging or damage. The springs play a vital role in maintaining the height of your vehicle, so it's important to ensure they're in good shape. Now that we've covered shocks, struts, and springs, let's move on to the next part. Next up, inspect the ball joints and control arms. Now these two components play a crucial role in your vehicle's suspension system. They are the backbone that holds your wheels to your vehicle and allows them to move in all the necessary directions. When inspecting ball joints, be on the lookout for excessive play or movement. Any looseness could suggest a worn-out ball joint, which might result in erratic steering and increased tire wear. So it's crucial to catch this early and replace any parts as needed. Moving on to control arms, they too need to be firm and free from excessive play. A worn control arm can cause your vehicle to pull to one side or the other, which can lead to unsafe driving conditions. Next, let's not forget about the bushings. These small rubber or polyurethane components help to cushion the joints and reduce friction. Check them for signs of cracking, deformation, or any other visible damage. A worn-out bushing can lead to noises, vibrations, and even a decrease in handling performance. Finally, let's touch base on the steering system. It's essential to check for any loose or worn-out components here too. Loose steering can make your vehicle hard to control, so it's vital to ensure everything is tight and in good working order. That wraps up the step-by-step process of a suspension system inspection. Remember, a well-maintained suspension system ensures a smooth and safe ride, so keep your car in check and happy driving. To sum up, a thorough suspension system inspection is vital for your car's health. We've delved into the necessity of inspecting your car's suspension system, breaking down the process of assessing shocks, struts, springs, ball joints, control arms, and the steering system. It's not just about providing a smooth ride, it's about catching potential issues before they become costly repairs. Remember, regular suspension system inspection not only ensures a smoother ride but also saves you from hefty repair bills, so make it a part of your car care routine.